Coming up, we're going to take you on a tour of the award-winning Best Community in Cape Coral for 2021.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. If you're new here, welcome, and hit that subscribe button below and then hit that bell button on the side if you want to know all about living, eating, sleeping, biking, boating, beaching, golfing, everything there is to know about Southwest Florida. You come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon and you'll be notified whenever we put out new content. My name is Doug Lugers.
I'm Lona Lugers.
And we're real estate experts here in sunny Southwest Florida. And we've been here for many years and we've helped many people just like you relocate to our paradise and experience what we get to experience every single day.
Today we are super excited, guys, to tell you about a community named Best Community in all of Cape Coral for 2021. And great news for golfers, it is a golf community. And it goes by the name of Cape Royal.
Okay, this awesome community of Cape Royal is just under 500 home sites. It's resident-owned golf course, but it is open to the public. It offers 27 holes of golf. And
I think it's really notable to say that there are no mandatory golf fees to live in this community, and their HOA fees are super low, coming in at just under $1,400 annually. Some other things to do in the community besides the 27 holes of golf are tennis, pickleball, bocce-ball. A lot of the residents really enjoy staying active by biking and walking. They have a nature preserve here.
And one of my favorite things is the Calusa Club.
The Calusa Club is a full-service clubhouse where you can get breakfast, lunch, dinner, drinks. They are also open to catering and renting out their 2,200 square foot banquet space for your birthday parties, graduation parties, or corporate events. There is something to do in Cape Royal for everyone.
I think we should go show them the Calusa Club. What do you think?
Let's go check it out.
Follow us.
Right, so let's talk a little bit about what it costs to live in Cape Royal. So this home behind me recently sold for $640,000. That is about $308 per square foot, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that is just under 2,100 square feet. Now let's talk about this property. This home just sold for $805,000. It is about 2,422 square feet, so that's $329 a square foot, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. So let's talk about this home. This home is 2,730 square feet. It's sold for $604,000. That's about $221 a square foot, and it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. If you guys want to know more about what's coming up for sale in Cape Royal or anywhere in Southwest Florida, go ahead and check out our website below, where you're always going to have the latest and greatest information of what's available. And if you have any questions about anything, as always, give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I am happy to help.